In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the word prediction feature on the Google Read and Write extension. Move your cursor up to the left-hand side and click on the crystal ball. You'll notice that the program automatically brought up several words you can use to begin your sentence. To hear these words read to you, simply scroll over them like this.
Be. To. Of. There.
To begin your sentence, you can choose one of these words or start typing.
Occupy. Occupy. Occupational. Safety.
You simply click on the word to have it inserted. Or you can click Control
There.
and the number by the word.
4.